Hey, it's Melissa with WTI, and I want to tell you why you are going to love this Ninja coffee maker. Now, the first thing that I absolutely enjoy about it is the adorable little scoop on the side of the coffee maker. It's something that could be overlooked so easily, but it is so nice to have a scoop ready in your hands when you need it. No more pouring your coffee from the bag directly into the filter. At least that's what I do. I also love that the water chamber lifts out so that perhaps you do get coffee grounds on the wrong side of the coffee pot. It's happened to me before. And I'm able to lift that water chamber out and wash it if I need to. Now, this guy also descales itself. Who doesn't love a coffee pot that cleans itself? It was super easy to set the time, and it has a feature on it where you can set the warming plate for longer than 2 hours. Now, as a busy mom, I typically put my coffee down in the morning. I've lost it. I don't know what's happened to it, or it's gotten cold, but I don't have to warm it in the microwave anymore because this coffee pot has kept my coffee warm for longer than 2 hours. Yeah, I drink coffee most of the day. I truly do use this coffee pot frequently. I absolutely enjoy it. I really do think you will too, and that's my point of view.